today's master kit that we're going to look at is the Jet Motors Ultimate Ignition Upgrade. Now, we love these. We've been installing these for just over a decade now, and we're really impressed at the quality and how well they work. So just about every Mini that comes into our shop needs an ignition. Either the points are wore out, or the distributors wore out, or the vacuum advance. Usually these old 20, 30, 40, 50-year-old Lucas distributors are shot. Just replace your ignition system with brand new ignition components from Protronix. Now, we really like the Protronix Igniter 1, Igniter 2, and Igniter 3. We've been favoring the Igniter 2, and what you get in this Jet Motors Ultimate Ignition Upgrade is a complete flamethrower distributor with a vacuum advance. It also has the mechanical weights in here. You can see how this is working. That is the mechanical advance. So those go into effect at about 4,000 RPM, and that's where we usually set the ignition timing. So what you get in this kit is the Protronix Igniter 2, a high quality rotor, high quality cap, and wires. Okay, you get the Iridium spark plugs. The Iridium spark plugs are fantastic. These are for the performance enthusiast, and we really like these Iridium tips. This is the best spark plug out there. Also, you get this 60,000 volt HV coil. I know it looks a little strange, but we made this special plate with hardware we include in the kit that allows you to mount this on your flywheel housing, or you can hang it from your cylinder head stud. So this is by far, hands down, the best ignition upgrade you can put in your Mini. It's well priced, it's easy to install, and we love them. So they are available at the jetmotorsmini.com website under the Jet Master Kits. Go check them out.